Do you have a DUI on your record but still need to enter Canada for a leisure trip and you're looking for options on how to do that? Well, this video is for you. If you have a criminal conviction on your record but still would like to enter Canada, you do have some options. The first and most important option is something called the Temporary Resident Permit, also known as the TRP. This document temporarily overcomes your inadmissibility. So the inadmissibility, to overcome it, the officers are looking for what was the offense. So the offense, what did you have to complete for that offense, and has this offense, your sentence, been completed? So if you check box everything yes there, then a TRP is an option for you. That TRP can be done at the border for same-day processing, or you can submit it at the consulate. So most individuals that are looking for a leisure trip, they realize through a friend or family member that they're inadmissible to Canada and they have a trip coming up next week. Everything is already booked and their friends and family members do not know about this inadmissibility. What we can do is we can prepare a TRP port of entry package. We give that to you and then you show that to the officer at the border. And again, we demonstrate to the officer what the offense was, the fact that it is, if we're going to utilize the port of entry for a leisure trip, you should have 1, 2, maximum 3 offenses that have happened, years ago. You've completed everything and demonstrate that you've booked your itineraries and that you're in and out of the country. So at the port of entry, the officer will try to accommodate that particular trip. Versus when we submit an application to the consulate, we can request a 3-year temporary resident permit. And again, we have to demonstrate why do you need 3 years. So saying a leisure trip and requesting 3 years may not be granted. Most individuals that are granted the 3 years demonstrate that they're constantly needed to come to Canada for a business meeting or a business trip, or potentially you have properties here in Canada that you have to maintain. That would constitute a leisure trip. But again, in order for us to ask a long-term TRP, we have to show that you're needed here long-term. Another way to overcome your inadmissibility, and I've done many videos on this so you can take a look at it, is called criminal rehabilitation. This document is not temporary, it's permanent, but very good to have in case you're a frequent traveler. But not everyone is eligible for this. If you're looking at applying for a TRP or potential criminal rehabilitation, feel free to give us a call. Thank you, and until next time.